All right, here's the last one. Woman says $26 million winning lottery ticket destroyed in the washing machine. Woman claims that her California lottery ticket ended up in the laundry.
Is this real?
Ooh, are you skeptical?
Of course, yeah. Something like this. Anyone can say that they lost their lottery ticket in a dryer or the wash.
The winning Super Lotto Plus ticket for the November 14th drawing was sold in an Arco AM/PM convenience store in the Los Angeles suburb of Norwalk. Thursday was the last day to redeem it. So the window's been missed. Nobody redeemed it.
And she lives in like Australia.
The store managers told KTLA TV that surveillance video showed the woman who bought the ticket, and she's known to store workers. A copy of the video surveillance was turned over to California lottery officials. They're going to investigate. It's not very often, actually, that a big win isn't claimed. It's very rare.
Yeah.
So that adds a little bit of credence to her suggesting that she had that ticket. However, normally, if you don't have the physical ticket, you need to have like real photos of the front and back. Something like this to prove that you actually had it in your possession at any point. Otherwise, like you said, it could be fraud all the time.
But even then, like taking a picture could be fraudulent.
Could be.
Right?
Could be, but it's helpful. It's better than nothing.
But yeah, it's better than nothing.
If the prize isn't claimed, then $19.7 million will go to California public schools instead. And the store that sold the ticket will get a $130,000 bonus. Dating back to 1997, there's only 4 prizes that haven't been claimed, $20 million or more, including a $63 million prize from 2015, never claimed. Wow. This is the Los Angeles area we're talking about. All right, so let's say you don't get the money. Let's say they don't give it to you. And let's say it's legit. You did have that $26 million ticket. You did put it in the washer. You did destroy it.
What would I do in that situation? I mean, I would go to the store and be like, hey, give me all your camera tapes. You know? I'm sure you have something recorded. Let's just figure it out.
Yeah, but those cameras aren't going to see the actual ticket specifically. It's going to see you in the store. You could have had any ticket.
Sure, yeah. But at least it gives, like, there's some proof there that I was.
Okay, and what if at that point they tell you it's not enough?
Well, I should have been taking a picture of it then. I don't know. What else can you do?
Can they not match up security camera footage
To the sale?
timestamp? Yeah. Is there no record of the numbers sold through a machine at a given time?
There sure should be.
Wow. Now.
There sure should be.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to get at is if you lost $26 million.
Oh, you gotta let it go. You can't.
Excuse me?
Well,
Well, you got to
else?
try.
Well,
You gotta
no,
try.
yeah, you do. Okay, if you actually believe, you'd try a bit, but after that, if there was,
How does she know for sure she won?
A lot
She didn't
of
take a
people
picture.
play the same numbers over and over and over. And then they see the numbers come up as the winner, and they go, those are my numbers. And then they go hunting for their ticket, and they're like, oh, yeah. That ticket's in the laundry. Ticket's gone.
Yeah.
See, this is the problem with the ticket. If she had a plate on her phone, like tap her phone or something.
Yeah,
because
exactly.
There's
Why?
a lot of value on a piece of paper.
Yeah.
But I guess that's how it works, how it has worked. You lose $26 million. Let me ask you this. You wash the ticket. You lose the ticket. You lose the $26 million. Vin says you move on. Do you keep playing the lottery?
yeah.
You think lightning can strike twice?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right. Good luck.